Hi, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use Speedweave. If you've never used it before, that's a pretty simple instrument to repair clothes, to darn, to create beautiful woven darn. So let's get started. I have my daughter's leggings that have a hole, which I'm going to mend, and I marked the area that I want to cover slightly around the hole, going over, so it definitely covers everything. So what I'm going to do, I will put the wooden piece of the Speedweave around it, place the metal on top that way, and I'm going to fix it with a rubber band. Like that. So that's my working area. As you can see, the hooks align with my top mark, and all the rest goes down. Actually going to shift it a little bit so it definitely covers a bit more. I'm going to use two types of cotton. That's just crocheting cotton, black and silver. Sorry, I forgot some instruments. I'll do the weave in silver actually, so you can see it better, and then I'll do the second line, the horizontal line, in black. And probably that's what comes with a Speedweave. I'm not going to use them now. Just a normal cotton darner needle. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so all you do to start with, I lifted my hooks, you probably can see, I hope, and I'm placing my first line. Probably that's too far. I'll start with that one. I pick up a hook with my thread and place a line here. Okay, I'm happy with that. So I'm just going to fix that. And leave it open for now. I'll hide it later once I do the weaving of the black thread. Okay, now it's time to use the black thread. How I'm going to start, I will tie the black one with the rest of the silver here. To fix it. Okay, I'm going to deal with the ends later. So what I'm going to do, as you can see, when I put it to the side, when the thread is on the hooks, one part of the thread goes up, the other one goes down. So when And when I'm going to weave with my needle, it's really easy to pull the needle through every other thread if I go close to the hooks, like that. Like that. So my needle slides to the other side. I'm also going to push my thread to the very bottom, like that. Once I did that, I need to fix it through the fabric. Once I fixed it, I'll pull the hooks the other way around so that when I weave, I'll weave the other way around too. And I pull it like that. I pull it, then I push my thread again to the very bottom, and fix it. Fix it through the fabric. Actually, because my fabric is so gentle, I think I will change for a finer needle. Don't forget to pull the hooks every time you need to do another line. And fix it. And so you continue until you come to the very top, pretty much to my second line. So I have just tiny hooks left on, tiny thread left on the hooks. So I will come back to you when I'm done up to that. Okay, I haven't finished, but I come to the point where I'm sort of kind of halfway through, a little bit more, but my thread is really short. So I'm going to show you what to do basically in that case. I'm just going roughly to fix the thread just on one knot and leave it here open. Again, I'm going to deal with it later, and all I'm going to do from here is just cut another thread and pick up from where I've finished. Okay, I'll tie it to that one as I start. And that's it again. Leave the ends at the side, switch the hooks, and continue. Okay, I came to the point where I literally cannot place any more threads in between the threads on the hook. So right now I'm going to take the whole thing off the hook, off the metal all together. That's my left threads. Okay, I'm taking that off. I'm taking that off. I can now pull my wooden part aside, and that's what I have. And I'm gently going to pull them off the hooks. So now I need to fix the rest. I'm going to take down-knit mushroom just to make it the whole surface even again. If you feel like, you can probably use another rubber to fix it. I'm not gonna fix it, I'm just gonna use it like that. So what I need to do, I'm just going to fix every single hook. That's kind of the design you got. Mine is not particularly even. As you can see, it's wider at the bottom and getting narrower to the top because the thread is too fine for the hook distance that I have here. But it's okay, it's only for child's clothing, which probably will get another hole very soon. So now I'm simply going to hide all the ends inside. So that my first one, sort of, I've pulled it inside, cut it. Okay, let's see. Well, maybe not the most prettiest weave, but definitely is prettier and more robust than a hole. Let me know what you think in comments. Let me know if it was useful. I'll certainly try to do more videos with that, trying to figure out what's the best way to use it, what's the best thread and instruments and so on. Let me know if you're interested. Bye for now.